Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to use an Upwork account. So in the previous video I showed you that how to make an Upwork account, and now in this video I will show you that how you can basically use an Upwork account to earn money online. So before starting the video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. Okay, so you have created your Upwork account successfully, and when the first time you will open up your account, or all the time when you log into your Upwork account, you will this kind of UI on your screens. Okay, so right up here we have these four different options. So the first one is find work, and in find work you can have multiple options here. Okay, then you have my jobs, like the jobs that you are currently working on or that you had worked in the past. And then we have reports, like this contains all of your earnings, billings and transaction histories. And then we have this mass messages. Okay, the messages, the projects that you discuss with your clients on Upwork. Okay, and right now we are in the find work option here, and in the find work option here you can see that we have three tabs here. The first one is best matches, the next one is most recent, and then we have saved jobs. So the best matches tab here will actually get us the jobs that are matched with our skills. Okay, so if I just open up my profile here, basically if we just go into your profile here, so the skills that you have set, like let's suppose if you are working on Photoshop or graphic design, then you will see all that kind of jobs here. Okay, so my account is basically on video editing. Okay, so here you can see that I have all of the video editing related jobs here. Okay, so we will just basically okay, so now if you go into your profile here, so now what you will basically do is, if you actually scroll down here, you can see your skills here. Okay, you can basically set your skills as well. So in these skills here you can see that most of my skills are basically video editing skills. Okay, like this one. So the jobs that you will see here are based upon these skills that you add here. Okay, okay, so and these are the best matches jobs that best matches with your skills that you have chosen here. Okay, and now we have most recent tab. So most recent tabs will also contain jobs that actually matches with your skills, but these are those jobs that are posted most recently. Okay, so if you can see here, this job is posted 1 minute ago, then this job is posted 3 minutes ago, and like this one. And then we have saved jobs. Okay, so if you have saved any kind of job, then you can just basically like let's suppose that if you like this job, you will just tap on this heart icon here, and that job will saved into your saved jobs tab here. Okay, okay, so this is for the jobs section here. And then what I can show you, then we will go into your profile here. Okay, so I will tell you about little bit of your profile here. Here you can see your name, and then here you can see your basically like what is your headline. Okay, so my headline is basically a professional video editor. You can set your rate here, you can add a very great description or summary about yourself and your skills here. And then if you go here, and this is our work history. Okay, so this will automatically get filled when you actually get work on Upwork. Okay, so you do so you don't have to worry about this. Okay, and then here you can see your portfolio. Okay, like the projects that you have worked in the past, these are all your portfolios. And then we have skills, and then we have project catalog. Now what is project catalog? Now if you know about Fiverr here, this is basically a gig. Okay, so what we are doing here, that we are selling our services in the form of gig, and people can basically buy projects from this. Like they can get to this job here, and they will actually message us, and we can start working together here. Okay. And then we have some kinds of certifications, and then our employment history and other experiences as well. So now I will show you that how you can basically apply for a job, and what to look when you basically apply for a job. Okay, so let's suppose that if I go into this most recent tab here. So the first thing that you have to check before applying for the job, make sure that the client or the job that you are going to apply must have a verified payment method. So here you can see that this person has not a verified payment on Upwork, plus this person didn't spend any kind of money still on Upwork. Okay, but if you scroll down here, you can see that this person has a this person has a payment verified on Upwork, and this person already spends $500,000 on Upwork, or basically you can say that $500,000 on Upwork. So you have to look for the jobs that must have a verified payment method. Okay, because these all jobs, not all, but mostly these jobs are scam. Okay, if you just message them, or if you like send a proposal to them, they will actually message you back, and then they will ask you to leave Upwork and contact them with somewhere else, and then this and do, and they are just a scam. Okay, so make sure that you apply for the job where at least payment method is verified and they have spent some kind of money on it. Okay, so now let's suppose that if I wanted to basically like apply for this job here, I will just tap on the job here, and the job description will open up. Okay, so we just have to wait, it will open up from this side as well. So here you can see that the job description is open up here. Okay, so now there are some other things to look for. Okay, so now on Upwork we have these points here basically. Okay, so for each job we apply we lose some points. Now this job, now to apply for this job we must have at least 8 connects. Okay, like if we apply for this job, 8 connects from our account will be uh, detected, or the cost for applying for this job is basically 8 connects, and my available connects are 5, so I can't apply for this job. Okay, so you can basically buy these connects, like you can enter your card payment method and you can basically buy these, or Upwork will also like give you after 1 month. Okay, so before applying for the job here, the next thing that you will what will see about the client here, that how many reviews your client got. Now here you can see that this client has like 12 reviews and rating is 4.4. Okay, so rating should be above 4. I'm not saying that the rating should be 5, but at least rating should be above 4. And then here you can see the higher percentage of this client. Okay, which is 72%, which means that there is 72% chance that this client will basically hire from this job post. Okay, so you have to look for the higher percentage here, so at least the higher percentage is above like 50 to 60%. Okay, and then here you can see that this client has spent total of 5.4k USD, and he did like 21 hires, in which of them 3 hires are active. Like currently this person has 3 hires. Okay, and the average hourly rate that he paid is $21.50. Okay, so this is a potential client. Like if you have to buy connects, you can buy it and you can apply for this job. And the next thing that you will basically read all the description here. Okay, just give it some time and read all the description, and it will tell you that whether you are a good fit for this job or not. Okay, and the next thing that you will look for here is for proposals. So now right now here you can see that this job has got less than 5 proposals right now here, and the client is not interviewing any kind of person right now, and you can basically apply for this job. So to apply for the job, you will just tap on this apply option here, and it will open up the new window for us. Okay, so we just have to wait until it gets loaded. So right now here you can see that it is saying me that you don't have enough connects to submit this proposal. So if you wanted to buy it, you can just basically buy it from here, but I don't want it, so I will just tap on this cross option here, and then you will see this kind of page here. Now how do you want to pay it? You can basically divide the projects into smaller tasks here, and you can actually get paid for any task you do, or you can just pay for the by the end of the project, like you do all the work and then in the end you will get paid. And then you will tell the client that how long will this project take basically. Okay, so it's up to you. Maybe you can do this within 1 week, within 1 month, within 3 months, or within 6 months. So it's just up to you here. Okay, you can select, and then this is the project budget here, like the total amount of this project is $1,000, and the 10% freelancer fee is $100, and you will get estimated of 900 US dollars. And then here is the main thing, which is the cover letter. Okay, so you have to write something very catchy here, that when the client basically see your proposal, they basically send you a message. Okay, so what you can write here, you can just call them by their name, or you can just type here, hello dear client, and then you can say that I understand that you are looking for this and this, and then you can tell them that you have a great experience in this. And then you can, if you have any kind of portfolio, then this will be a good to add your portfolio's link in the cover letter here. And then if you have any kind of attachment less than 25 MBs, so you can also attach it with this. This is and this will actually increase your chance to get hired basically. And now you can basically boost your proposal on Upwork. Okay, so what this will do is that if you spend more connects to apply for this job, like this person did, like this person, like this job required 8 connects, but this person's spend 9 connects. And what this will do is this will keep its proposal at the top, like its proposal will be pinned at the top. Okay, and when someone else come and they like spend 12 points here, then their proposal will become at the top. Okay, so this is how bidding works. And after you've done all this, what you will do here, you will just simply tap on this option where it says send for 8 connects here, and then you are good to go. And then we have settings option here, so you can go to the Upwork here, and you can tap on right click, sorry, tap on the on your profile image and tap on settings here, and then you will open up settings section here. Okay, so these are like the different kind of settings here. So to get paid by, basically in this section you can basically enter your bank account information, and then when you earn something on Upwork, you can basically like transact into your bank account. So that's it for this video guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will see you in the next video.